Congratulations, you did it. You decided it's time to source and place your very first order on Alibaba.com. That's a big deal, and trust me, once you go through it, you'll realize how easy and exciting it can be. I'm Carlos Alvarez, and in this episode of the Alibaba.com Buyer Guide, I'm going to walk you through every step of the process, from creating your account to confirming delivery so you can place your first order with confidence. So if you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. Your first order starts here. Your first order is more than just clicking buy. It's the foundation for how you'll source for your business in the future. It's the moment you start building trust with suppliers, learning how shipping works, and understanding what quality really looks like. Once you know how to do it right, everything afterwards becomes faster, easier, and way less stressful. Head to Alibaba.com to create your free buyer account, enter your email, choose a password, verify your info, and boom, you're in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a few minutes to look around. This is where you'll manage messages, quotes, and track every order you place. And remember, you don't need to be a big business to buy from Alibaba.com. Anyone can start sourcing right now. Now let's find what you're looking for. Head to the search bar and type in your product. Let's do LED desk lamps. Pro tip, for an in-depth look at using the search bar, check out the video linked here. After you hit search, you'll see thousands of results. So to make things easier, use the filters on the left. Select verified supplier or trade assurance for extra protection. Choose ready to ship if you want faster delivery. These filters make sure you're seeing reliable, trustworthy suppliers right from the start. Once you've found some promising products, reach out to the suppliers. Don't overthink it. Just click chat now. Introduce yourself. Ask about the things that matter. Minimum order quantity. Can they send a sample? How long does production take? Shipping options, timelines. The more specific you are, the better. It helps you find the right partner faster and sets the tone for a professional relationship. This is a big one. Always order a sample first, especially for your first order. A sample lets you check quality, packaging, and confirm that the product matches the description. It might add a few extra days, but trust me, it's worth it. It's your best insurance before placing a full, complete order. Once you're happy with the sample, confirm all the final details with your supplier. Quantity, packaging, total price, delivery date, payment method. When everything is clear, ask your supplier to create a trade assurance order. That means your payment is protected until you receive the goods and confirm everything looks good. Then click place order, choose your payment method, and you're officially in business. After payment, your supplier begins production. Stay in touch through Alibaba.com's messaging system. It keeps all communications secure and organized. Ask for updates, photos, or videos of your order as it's being made. Once production wraps, it's shipping time. Your supplier will ship the goods using the method you agreed on: air, sea, express. If this is your first time importing, ask who handles customs clearance and duties. Many suppliers can help guide you through this process. Then, simply track your order in the Alibaba.com dashboard. It's as simple as that. When your order arrives, inspect everything carefully. Quantity, packaging, quality, everything. If everything checks out, confirm receipt on Alibaba.com. That releases payment to your supplier. And don't forget to leave feedback. It helps other buyers, strengthens your supplier relationship, and builds your credibility on the platform. A few quick tips from someone who's been through this process hundreds, if not thousands of times. Always use trade assurance for your first few orders. It's a safety net. Keep all communication and payments on Alibaba.com for maximum protection. Don't always chase the lowest price. Reliability is worth paying a little more for. And finally, start small. Treat your first order as a learning experience. Once you're comfortable, you can scale fast. I'm Carlos Alvarez, and this has been your Alibaba.com Buyer Guide. See you next time, and as always, happy sourcing.